Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of one of my latest photo shoots, which is a product photo shoot using hands, so no portrait photo shoot in like the normal way I usually do them. I hope you enjoyed and let's get right into it.
So this is my setup as usual. I am using my Hansel light, my Nikon D750 camera with a Sigma 105mm lens, and this is the inspiration board that I created for this shoot. These are the products that we will be using as props. I always explain to the model what will be visible in the photos and what poses I'm looking for, and we also have the Pinterest board next to us as an inspiration, and it also helps me not to forget any important or planned shots. At this shoot, the face of the model wasn't visible in the photos at all, we just used her hands, so we could chat a little bit while shooting, which was really nice. I always check if the exposure of the images is good and make sure that I'm framing the image the way I had planned to, so that I'm getting the exact images that I expect or that I want. We experimented with different hand poses and angles until we got the exact shots that I wanted. And then we used the first product, which was just a simple cream. The framing for this was a little bit hard because I wanted the finger with the cream on it to be framed by the other fingers, and that was easier said than done, but we got it and the photos turned out really good. Next we worked with some different products from this brand. I really liked their colors and the photos also turned out really nice. Thanks again to my wonderful model for working with me for this shoot. And lastly, we shot this mask similar to the cream that we did in the beginning, and then we also added the container that it comes in. And yeah, that's a wrap. That's the whole shoot. Here's all of the photos that I took. I really like how they turned out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos. Also make sure to like this video so I know that you enjoyed it and so that I can create more content like this. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!